Welcome to a mega exciting auto pairing for 3 minutes. Let's play close Sicilian. So Zerowitz. Can I inject H4, H5 for fun? Would it not be that amusing? Maybe F3 and D4. Queen D2, Knight D1 to F2. Rook B1, Knight F2. Slowly unravel. Like castles F4, F5, or E5. I'm not getting zapped here, am I? Okay, knight takes. Pardon me. Okay, is F5 possible here? Seems quite promising. There might be knight F4 coming. Knight D5. Knight 4 to D5 will be nice if we can get it. Knight D5 coming up. Or knight takes. H5. Yeah. Yeah, I think it might be more relevant to get rid of his defense. So rook takes coming up. Hopefully his king is not that great. Takes what he takes. What does he play next though? F6, bishop F4, that's E5. Maybe I'm going to drop back to E3. He goes there. And bishop H6, dangerous. Queen G5 check coming. I can win the exchange. The knight's holding G3. Okay, let's just win the exchange for a moment. I'll play this for rook takes. I've just gone into knight after. No, I haven't gone into something horrible. Rook takes and then Queen G5. Yeah, Queen G5 is coming up. He's provisional, right? Actually, on this, right? Okay, let's see. Interesting. All's okay here. Yeah, black's slightly better. That hold on G4. Yes, that can't be good, can it? Bishop H6 is okay. Winning the exchange there. That's a good position now. Rook G5 is a good move actually. I managed to play a good move. Queen D8 is +5 here. If the knight went back, then there's Rook G7 check. And Queen H6, right? Check. Okay. Yeah, I think that's it. As if it takes says check. Check. Whoa. Okay. Fun one. Okay. Comments or questions on YouTube. Thanks very much.